Good evening, everyone. I'm Kavyash, studying in 8th grade. Today, I'm here to explain about object-oriented programming with Python. So, object-oriented programming, in short, O, is a programming paradigm that relies on the concept of classes and object. It is basically a programming paradigm which is built around classes and object. We'll see what those two terms mean later. It is used to structure programs into reusable pieces called classes. This means code reusability increases, so we don't have to make redundant changes to the code base. We can use existing implementations in our code base. Objects are instances of classes with custom attributes. Classes can also contain functions, properties, called methods and attributes respectively. So a class is basically defined by a class keyword followed by the name. I have implemented a method known as sampleVehicle.getAllAttributes, which just does a good work of getting all the attributes. Now, object-oriented programming has four concepts in general: inheritance, followed by encapsulation,